Let's see how to access and use the Task Manager on Windows 11. To launch the Task Manager, you can either press the Windows key, then type Task Manager, and hit Enter. Or you can also launch it through a hotkey, which is by pressing and holding Ctrl, Shift, and Escape. Now, in the Processes tab, you will see the processes currently running on your system, such as programs and services. These columns will also show you the corresponding resources' total system utilization. You can click on a column to sort the list of processes to see which one is the least or most intensive. Now, in the Performance tab, you will see more detailed stats about each of your resources. Next, in the App History tab, you will see each process's total CPU and network usage in the past month. The Startup Apps tab shows the programs that will start once you boot into the desktop. To disable a process, you can simply right-click on the program and click on Disable. The Users tab will show the resource usage of each user that signed in. Next, the Details tab shows more information about each process. And finally, the Services tab shows every service, along with the corresponding status which shows if it's running or stopped. And that's how to access and use the Task Manager on Windows 11. See you soon!